Homeowners, what are the top 5 best home renovations that you can do with future resale in mind? Hi, I'm Patty Hardy, broker owner of Sheridan Realty right here in beautiful Canyon Lake. Make sure to like, follow, and share this video. I'd appreciate that. As a homeowner looking to sell, you may be wondering what home improvements you can do to help maximize your return on your investment. Well, let's take a look. First, paint color. Color is one of the most basic and appealing ways to update your space without breaking the bank. When choosing a color, it is best to always go with a neutral. Give me a call and I'd love to give you some suggestions on paint colors. Curb appeal. We all know that making a first impression is key. It's all about creating an inviting, visually appealing exterior that captivates everyone that passes by your home. That is why having the exterior of your home updated with lighting, planting, and landscaping. All of these improvements will help elevate your curb appeal. Ongoing maintenance. Home maintenance and repairs are crucial to ensure the value of your home. If you are unwilling to take on the repairs yourself, hire a professional. I can also recommend some professionals in Canyon Lake for you. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards not only when you live there, but also when you go to market. Kitchens and bathrooms. Although these two spaces can get costly to renovate, they're often the first areas that buyers critique and scrutinize when buying a home. You don't need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to renovate. Simply take care of things like updating the cabinets, the appliances, adding new fixtures. All of these things can add value. Next is scents. Make sure your home passes the smell test. No one likes a smelly home. Make sure your carpets stay cleaned and maintained. No exterior garbage or anything that can create yucky odors. Please reach out to me and my team. We'd love to help assist you, guide you through this ever-changing market. It's Patty Hardy. Give me a call, 210-313-1010. I'll answer the phone and I am happy to help. Thanks.